Hi there and welcome to another episode of Ask VSA. My name is Peter Vox and I'm the director of Vox Singing Academy, which was established in Melbourne in 1993. If you're looking or you know someone that may be interested in singing lessons, please check out the links below for more info. We have numerous studios with male and female teachers here in Melbourne. We also give online singing lessons worldwide 7 days a week. And if face-to-face lessons aren't your thing, check out the Ultimate Online Singing Course. Without any further ado, if you like this channel, give it a like, click like, thumbs up, click subscribe. If you have a question, put it in the comments below. Today I'm going to answer the question of, can adults be taught to sing? Yes. Now, officially you're an adult really once you sort of hit 18. That's what it is in Australia anyway. That's what it's classified at, I think, roughly and generally. But let's talk older adults here, people that are maybe in their 30s, 40s and beyond. I think that's the question that everyone is sort of asking here at the moment. If you're a mature adult, can you be taught to sing? Yes, you can. You can learn to sing nearly at any age. Your vocal cords are a muscle and you can learn to train them with the right skills and techniques, and also teacher as well too. So it's not until you get really old, like in your 80s and 90s, when your whole body really starts to lose elasticity, that's when you're going to have trouble sustaining a good tone or a voice for a long period of time. But even when you're that age, you can still sing in your comfort zone or your sweet spot of your voice. It doesn't really matter your age, but your range will diminish, particularly once you get into your 80s and 90s. But up until then, as long as you have kept your body healthy, and your vocal cords are in good shape, you should be able to sing well and truly up into your 80s very, very well. And there are lots of singers that are demonstrating this and still doing this that are in their late 70s and maybe early 80s. Steve Tyler from Aerosmith, Mick Jagger from the Rolling Stones, Lionel Richie. Again, all of these singers are in their late 80s and still sounding exceptionally good. Because one, they're still training their voice and keeping their voice in good shape. So if you want to have a good voice, and it doesn't matter what age you are, you need to train your voice. And you need to do a little bit of training most days to do with scales. At Vox Singing Academy, we customize a scales workout according to every student's vocal needs, range and experience and genre. So we really customize the scales according to what the student is wanting. And sometimes students want to sing higher, lower, longer periods of time, stamina, technique. We will help them out with all of that. We customize scales for all of our students. But if you want to keep your voice in good shape, you want to make sure you keep, one, your body in good shape. So the better that you're feeling, the better that your voice is going to sound. Number two, you need to make sure that you practice. Now, doing scales is very important. These are skills that you're going to apply directly into songs. You might ask the question, hey, what about if I just sing? Is that good enough? Yes, it's good, but it's not great, because within songs, you could be only using certain areas of your voice or certain skills, if that makes sense. When you're doing scales, particularly scales that are customized by Vox Singing Academy teachers, we start at the very lowest part of your range and then go as high as we comfortably can within reason. Or if it's a particular skill, we might not go too high or too low. For instance, if it's a trill, we're just going to work in the sweet spot of your voice there and not take you too high or too low. But if you keep your voice, if you practice your scales, practice your songs a little bit every day, you're going to feel that your voice is going to get stronger, and it doesn't matter what age you are, you'll be able to enjoy your voice. And any Anybody can learn how to sing as long as you're wanting to put the time in and follow the instructions that the teacher is going to give you. Now, you can follow YouTube clips, but again, they're a little bit hit and miss just because they're not designed for yourself. But if you follow what the teacher tells you, particularly at Vox Singing Academy, you should be feeling results in about 3 weeks. But nevertheless, you can feel a lot better if you just go and do some scales and sing at least 6 days a week. And I'd be saying doing some scales roughly 10 to 15 minutes a day, and then singing for that long or longer in the future to build up some stamina. You should be able to use your voice right up into your 80s as long as you take care of your physical health and your vocal health. Hope that answers your question. Hope that helps anyone out that may be thinking about taking singing lessons. If you're an adult or a senior, please check out the links below. If you know someone that wants to take singing lessons or you are interested in singing lessons, we offer online lessons worldwide, 7 days a week. We also have private in-studio singing lessons here in Melbourne with male and female teachers. And if you're not wanting to do that, check out the Ultimate Online Singing course in the links below. If you like this channel, click like and thumbs up. If you have a comment, you think I've missed something, put it in the comments below. Love to hear from you. If you have a question, put it in the comments below. If it's a really good question, I may make a video for you. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. I really, really do appreciate it. Until next time, be good to everybody. Love everybody. Live life to the absolute fullest, because you never know that this day may be the last. Peace and much love until the next video. Bye-bye.